Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ali Cake, and in today's video I will be showing you how to get this purple smoky cut crease look. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay loves, let's get into this makeup tutorial. This purple smoky eye, because I have purple hair, so I wanted to do a purple smoky eye. So we're going in with Gem Shaw's palette, and we're going into this purple right here, and I'm going to be blending that. I'm going to be blending that here and around here. So I'm gonna be blending it in this motion right here, like, you know, from the outer to the inner, like that. Right?
These burning flames, these crashing waves wash over me like a hurricane. I captivate, you're hypnotized, feel powerful, but it's me again. Come, lay me down, 'cause I know this, 'cause I know this.
So now I'm going in with this black, and I'm going with black, and I'm going to do the same blending right around here. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the crease with my LA Gel Pro Primer, my eyeshadow primer thing, and I'm cutting it with a angle brush as usual. If you guys watch my other tutorials, yeah, I'm gonna cut that.
Please come to me. Don't bury thoughts that you really want. I fill you up, drink from my cup. Within me lies what you really want.
Anyways, I'm going with this light purple here, and I'm going to put that on my lid right where I cut the crease.
Wash over me like a hurricane. I captivate, you're hypnotized, feel powerful, but it's me again.
I'll put some black eyeliner on my waterline.
'Cause I know this, 'cause I know this.
So now I'm gonna draw some big wings, but I'm gonna start the wing from the bottom. So I just started going from under here. I never can see. I started from under here and bring it outwards. Now I'm going to draw some in a corner liner. Now this velvet is from Sacha, and it's the name of it I think is Only Die Once. It's a matte purple. I'm gonna put it all over my lips.
Don't bury thoughts that you really want. I do you up.
Okay guys, so this is the final look.
What you really want. Come, lay me down. Cause you know this. Cause you know
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.